Want to know how I make this assorted pepper soup? Watch this video to the end. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more amazing videos. My returning thank you, and God bless you for always supporting my channel. May God continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Today we are going to be making pepper soup. Goat meat pepper soup, guys. As you can see, we have fresh goat meat here, shaki, and all the amazing assorted inside. So it's fully washed. I have my pot already here. So I will be adding the goat meat inside. I will be showing you all the things I need to make this delicious assorted pepper soup. First thing I will be adding this meat inside, the goat meat and everything inside. Go in. Here we have all the things I need to make this assorted goat meat pepper soup. Here we have 1 spoon tail, 1 teaspoon of, okay, here we have 1.5 teaspoon of pepper, blended pepper. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I have my blended crayfish, 3 spoons of thyme. I have 1 spoon of my delicacy mixy assorted pepper soup ingredients. So I have my 2 Maggies here. So those are the things I'm using to make this assorted pepper soup. So keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I said earlier. First thing I will be adding all the ingredients. So the next thing I will be adding is Maggi. I have my 2 Maggi. The next thing is I'm going to be adding is water. I'm going to be boiling this, cooking it for at least 40 minutes. It's our goat meat is very strong, so we have to leave it at least for 40 minutes. Now I will on the gas. I will cover it. In the few minutes time I will cook on it just to melt the Maggi. So let's cover this and keep washing. This is all we need in this winter time pepper soup. It's really nice for this weather, especially this weather we are now. Let's check our pepper soup. Pepper soup is almost ready. It's not less than 10 minutes. The pepper soup will be ready. Voila, my pepper soup is ready. Check it out. It's correct. This pepper soup is good for this weather and it's very correct for white rice. I'm going to be dealing with this pepper soup with correct white rice, guy. check it out. Don't forget to watch the video to the end to see how I make this assorted delicacy pepper soup. Don't forget to watch the video to the end, guys. See you for my next video. Bye bye. And don't also forget to click on my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. Click on that channel, you will love what I'm doing there. Thank you and shalom.